Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to draw a person lying down, but with the legs in a certain position. So if you can get your pencils all set, we are going to draw ourselves a little sketch. So to do this best, we determine the surface. So that is our surface right there. And the person is going to lie down flat, but in this particular pose we're showing it from the side on the ground and the legs are propped upward, so it's a very common pose. So let's put the shoulder set here. So let's say it's the arm, hand, so chest area is somewhere around there, ab area, and that's the lower part of the body right there. And there we have to place the legs in a certain manner as to show them like sort of like crisscrossing. So one leg, this one, is going to go over, let's bring that up a little bit right here, and it's going to go over the other leg, which is going to go somewhere around there with the foot here, and of course the foot on this one, depending on how we place it. We'll place the head for now right there. So this is a fairly generic placement. So let's say that is the eyes, nose, and mouth, and right here is the person's head going into the shoulder. And so first option is that we put the arm right flat out on the floor. So it's kind of like a meditative lying down position, but casually too people lie down like this very often. So that would be the glute area, and the other leg right from behind, it's so the left leg in this case, there's the shin and the calf area, and that is the foot. And this leg, so the thigh structure will be over the calf, not the other way around. That is a mistake. And this other leg is just going to rest like that, and depending on the perspective we wish to show, the foot might appear like that from that particular angle. So that is one way of doing this. The other way, of course, there's always options, is that we, utilizing the same bottom of the body, we bring the delts, we stretch it out. So now it's behind the neck position. So the delts will be stretched out, arm going like that, and behind the head, and the head will be propped slightly up and hunched into the chest somewhat. So that is another option. Extended the elbow there, made it a little too small. So that is the other way of going about this. But in any case, both options are very feasible. And if we were to, let's say, tap into the more natural one, I guess, that would be the one in which the person is lying down like that. case, we would have that framework doing its job for us. Okay, so here we have a quick perspective, lying down position, two different things can be done with this and even more, but let's just stick with these two for now. And that was the essential base structure for, or the base ground for this particular pose. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, keep in touch, have yourself a wonderful day.